Shalom to you and welcome. In this video, I'm going to solve a quick problem on probability, just to review. Okay. A class has 6 students. What is the probability that at least 5 of the students were born on a weekend? Okay, again, how many days are there in a week? There is a total of 7 days. So let's use W for weekend. So the probability of being born on a weekend is going to be 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, 2 days out of 7 days. And the probability of being work on a weekday, so let's use D for weekday, is going to be 5 out of 7. Okay, that's down. And then we have the binomial, either weekday or either weekend or weekday. So those are the two, and there are 6 students, so the highest is 6. And so now this is asked at least 5 students. So the probability of having at least 5 students is going to be the probability of 5 students born on a weekend, that the weekend, people born on a weekend is greater than or equal to 5. So since W is the weekend, either you have exactly 5 people born on a weekend or you have 6 students. So you're gonna be at least 5 is the smallest you can get. So 5 or 6, since the total is 6. So the probability of at least 5 is going to be the probability of 5 people, exactly 5 people born on a weekend, plus the probability of 6 people born on weekend. So then we add those two probabilities together. And so for the probability of 5 people, that means W is going to be to the power of 5. And if 5 people are born on a weekend, that means how many people are born on a weekday? It's going to be 1, because it's going to add up to 6. This one is going to add up a total of 6. And then plus the probability of 6. So W is 6. How many D? It means to be nobody were born on a weekend, on a weekday. So then we need to find the coefficient. Remember from the Pascal triangle, the coefficient that you have to put in front. How many ways can this possibility happen? How many ways can you have arrange 5 being born a weekday and 1 being born? How many ways? Again, you can use Pascal triangle, but also you can use your calculator. We know that this coefficient is giving you can either do 6, choose 5, because you have a total of 6 and you choose 5 that will be born on those days. If you plug that into your calculator, you should get 6. Or if you like, you can also do 6, choose 1, because of the if these two go together, 5 and 1 being born on a weekend, 5 being born on a weekend, and 1 being born on a weekday go simultaneously. So if you say 6 choose 5 and 6 choose 1, they should be the same thing. So either way would work to give you that coefficient for 6. And then for this one, when 6 people are born on weekend, so you do the same thing, 6, choose 6, which should give you 1, or 6, choose nothing, 6, choose 0, will also give you 1 for both of them, I think, simultaneously go together. Okay, so that's your coefficients. So that's what you need, and then to finish it, you plug in your probability. So this is 6 times, okay, the probability which is of weekend, which is W, we already have here is 2/7. So you're going to do 2/7 to the power of 5, because we have that, we have that power 5 there. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. So, and then times the probability of weekday is 5/7, again to the power 1. Okay, plus. So this is like one bunch here and one bunch here. Put the plus and then times 1 times the probability of weekday again is 2/7 to the power 6, and anything to the power 0 is 1, so times 1. So now use your calculator to simplify this. Be careful that you need to, if you're doing it individually, you may get big numbers, you need to do the exponent first. Do the exponent first. Simplify to 7, 2/7 to the power 5, and then 5/7 is to the power 1 is itself, is 5/7. So before you multiply 6. And then simplify this left one first, and then simplify the right one, and then before you add. Again, do your multiplication before you add. So if you do that, you should get our 0.008703856 okay, and so forth. So if you multiply by 100, you're gonna get 0.870. Well, we just ended to 3 decimal places. So that's the percent. So it will be 0.87% chance of 5 out of 6 or 6 out of 6 being born on weekend.